वो भी कैसी बस्ती थी जहाँ पर तू बसती थी, मर्जी तेरी थी ना थी मगर फिर भी हंसती थी. These lines explained गंगूबाई to me, but जिन्हां ने गंगूबाई दिस कैरेक्टर ਨੂੰ जिया है और जिन्हां ने ਵੱਡੇ ਪਰਦੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ गंगूबाई बन के सानू मिलना है, यानी कि the gorgeous and talented Alia Bhatt. She is right next to me and I'm super excited. How are you, Alia?
Very well, thank you so much.
Sat Shri Akal, first of all.
Sat Shri Akal.
Okay, Alia, गंगूबाई is finally hitting the theaters.
Yes.
मतलब बहुत सारे shifts and postpones and delays. How are you feeling, first of all? और तुसी आज trailer भी देखा है, so how are you feeling?
Feeling very nervous, excited. बहुत टाइम हो गया है waiting for this film. Actually मैंने जब शुरू किया था it was 2018. I started shooting for the movie.
Okay.
तो actually 2 साल हो गए फिल्म शूट करके in a way, like end of 2018.
You started.
I started.
Right.
और 2019, so the 2019 से लेके 2021 तक we shot the film.
Okay.
That's 2 years.
Right.
फिर 2021 से लेके अभी 2022 तक we're waiting, so that's 3 years. Living with a film for 3 years in anticipation कि अब release होगी, अब audience को दिखाने का मौका मिलेगा, अब ये होगा. It's another feeling altogether. और वो anticipation only kills anticipation.
Yes.
तो अभी मैं बस it's like I've just surrendered to the process. अभी बस जितना भी हम लोग बाहर whatever we put out trailer, अभी गाने भी आएंगे इसके बाद में. I just want the audience to experience what I've experienced and then the film to come out and hit the theaters and people to go to the theaters. अभी तो बस वही है ना कि COVID के बाद what is the power of the theaters? Are people coming? Are they scared? Are they this? Are they that? And I always believe that a good film will always do well and will always bring the audience that it's made for to the theaters.
So you thought कि गंगूबाई is that film जिसके नाल risk लेता जा सकता है, because this is 50% capacity and then maybe that's जो तुसी गल कर रहे सी, people are scared or not. It's a thing.
देखो this is also now a bit of a mathematics altogether. हाँ 50% capacity है, पर we are also the only film coming on that day. There is some days that we have after that. It's not a crowded period. It's a bit of a relaxed period. तो हाँ सारे shows, ज़्यादा shows मिल सकते हैं. Hopefully the percentage will go up. Night curfew भी almost अभी हट गया है. I feel कि अगर cinema has always had that thing to bring you out of the house and take you into the theater. एक family experience है. अगर आप audience को एक अच्छी picture दो that is exciting, वो आएंगे. तो ये सब ट्रेलर के रिएक्शन पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपकी ट्रेलर कनेक्ट होती है तो लोग आएंगे.
अच्छा आलिया, other than Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir on the board, what were your reasons कि I'll tell this story to the world? गंगूबाई की स्टोरी मैं बताऊंगी.
पहले तो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं ऐसे इस तरह की एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर सकती हूँ. It is a completely different world from the world that I have knowledge of, that I have played, that I have exposure to.
True.
एक ऐसे अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि आप अगर बायोपिक बनाओगे तो सब लीडर्स पे बनाओगे, किसी हिस्ट्री, किसी वो somebody that has been there in, पर आप गंगूबाई के ऊपर बायोपिक नहीं बनाओगे. क्यों? क्योंकि ओके हाँ वो एक बुरी दुनिया से आती है, she comes from a bad world and all, but why is she in that world? How did she go there? And maybe even she made an impact. कि हम लोग इनके ऊपर कहानी क्यों नहीं बताते. एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ द स्टोरी कि वो थी जो भी थी, जिस वजह से वो इस दुनिया में आई है ये आपको पता नहीं है, और वो दुनिया में आके उसने बदलाव क्या किया. व्हाट डिड शी डू विथ हर लाइफ एंड अदर वुमेन्स लाइव्स दैट वी डोंट नो ऑफ. वी've heard, some people have not even heard. I had not heard. I heard about it after reading the script, and when I lived that character I was amazed that yes, why don't we tell stories about these women or these people more?
Right. So when Sanjay sir was there, then Ajay sir also has a cameo in the movie. Then you are on board. मतलब कोई ऐसा दिन था that you were like really pressurized. Okay, we have to deliver. Okay, we are such good talent on board. So we have to deliver a good film.
देखो अगर आप टैलेंट का या एक प्रेशर का वेट लेके चलोगे, then somewhere or the other you will take a little calculated decision and that will topple, and that pressure will topple and you will also topple with the pressure. So the way to go about it is to believe that you have a great opportunity to do some good work, maintain the hard work and the dedication and do what comes from your heart. अगर आप दिल से कुछ भी करोगे तो वो हमेशा it will be a fruitful experience. वो किस तरह से fruitful है वो सिर्फ time will tell.
Yeah.
As an experience, I can say that it was a very satisfying experience. Now, whether that translates for the audience, I'll only know when the film releases. I'm hoping it does. And if it does, then I can say that, okay, fine, we worked with our hearts and we gave it our all. And that's why it worked.
So there was no pressure, basically.
I don't believe in taking that pressure.
Okay.
I think while creating a film, you envelope yourself in a world and you give it your best. The pressure can come later. But while making the film, it should be about the character.
Yeah, अभी है pressure जब film release होने वाली है.
It's strange, अभी भी नहीं है. I'm still, maybe one day before the release, I'll be feeling the pressure.
Okay. Acha, Alia, do you see any parallels between Alia and Gangubai? I know this is very weird, but I think when I saw the trailer today, those one-liners were like too witty and too good. And pata nahi, I saw a little, you there. So, do you see any parallels between Alia and Gangubai?
Not really, but there's something that even Sir saw. I remember he used to say it's there in you. You just don't know it.
Yeah.
There's some intensity within me which I have not acknowledged or tapped into, which in a way I did do with this film. So after I started playing the character, I would come home and start talking like Gangubai and all of that, and my family and friends would be like, "What's wrong with you? Like, why are you behaving this way?" And now after a few of them have seen the film, they're like, "Oh God, this is you. This is your alter ego."
अच्छा.
जो मुझे अभी भी समझ में नहीं आता है, क्योंकि I am at the end of the day playing a character. But you somewhere find some familiarity with the character that you're playing.
Yeah.
Just to keep yourself comfortable, but actually it's a completely different person to me.
Okay. अच्छा, कोई ऐसा scene that that day you guys shot it and Sanjay sir were like, Alia, मतलब संजय सर ने तारीफ करी हुई कि Alia, today it was really good, okay?
वो काफी बार हुआ है.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so
they used to have those moments where sir would be like, इसको 500 रुपए का नोट दो, इसको 1000 का नोट दो, इसको 2000 का नोट दो. I used to wait for those.
It was that good, है ना?
Alia, 500 रुपए का नोट. I used to hear that sound.
Okay. Achha, people say it is difficult to work with. Sir is very strict. Sanjay sir is very strict on set, and there's no scope for improvisations. And there's
that's not true.
Start to end sequence shoot hota hai and stuff like that. So is this all right or
नहीं? क्योंकि sir interview नहीं देते and we don't know much about him because he's so like quiet and he just focuses on his work.
Yeah.
There are all these stories.
Yeah.
He is. Strict is not the word I would use. He's very dedicated and very, very serious, particular about his work. But that doesn't mean you can't, like, he's constantly cracking jokes and he's so hilarious and he's constantly being so funny behind the monitor. We are all always laughing. No scope for improvisation, I would say, is not true at all because he believes that there's no one way of doing anything. If as a character it's a true motivation, you do it and he'll buy it. Okay. He'll buy it. You need to give him, it has to be genuine, authentic. If it's a little fake also, he'll feel like, nahi, ye fake tha. Ye mat karo. Achha. It should be genuine.
So, anything genuine is okay with SLB?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Also, Alia, we saw Alia Bhatt on a Punjabi singers concert sometime back and we were all like, especially Punjabi people were like so happy to see you there. So, are you listening to these Punjabi gaane?
Yeah, of course. I'm a huge AP Dhillon fan. So, when I found out I was shooting for my film Rocky Aur Rani in Delhi, or Ranveer said, "Hey, AP Dhillon is performing." So I said, "Let's go." So we went and we danced and had a great time.
Next day, everywhere it was only this thing.
Yeah, I love Punjabi songs.
You know कोई गाना AP का?
बहुत पता है पर मैं गाऊंगी नहीं क्योंकि कुछ अगर गलत हो गया तो फिर मेरे ऊपर मीम्स बन जाएंगे.
Okay, no problem. That way, okay, so Alia, we'll wrap it up fatafat. Because I'm from PTC Punjabi and हम जो आपकी पंजाबी audience है, the people who love you in Punjab, for them there's a quick segment so which we'll do. I'll ask you some Punjabi ke words and you will have to help me with the Hindi meanings.
Okay.
Right? You'll do it, I know. So okay, can't.
Can't.
Yeah. Look, how cutely you're saying
Can't.
can't.
Use it in a statement.
Alia बहुत can't लग रही है.
अच्छी.
Yeah. Okay, if Alia, if Gaddi is car in Punjabi, then what is Naddi? Okay,
Gaddi is car, Naddi is?
This also I'll use in a statement. Alia is a beautiful Naddi.
Girl?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Naddi.
Okay, Katapa.
Problem?
Somewhere, but you getting the...
Understood, na?
Yeah.
Katapa ho gaya.
Katapa. Okay, I'll use it in a statement again. Ramesh da kutapa chad gaya.
Ramesh to kutapa chad gaya. Means he's gone mad.
No, मतलब उसकी bashing हुई.
Oh, okay, this I don't know.
Maar. Yeah. Okay, this is the last one. This is Parthu.
Again, use it in a statement.
Okay, this I. फलानी फिल्म दी मतलब some film दी set ते Parthu पै गया.
I don't know what Parthu means.
No. Some the guess, random guess.
Parthu fe. Problem?
मेरे घर च Parthu पै गया. Yeah, you're right.
Problem?
Yeah, it's mess basically. Mess पै गया. Mess हो गया. That way.
Parthu पै गया.
Yeah. Okay. Alia, it was lovely chatting with you.
Likewise.
And all the very best for Gangubai.
Thank you.
And definitely I'll go to the theatres, watch the film,
Please
and let you know how I feel about this. All the very best.
Thank you.